Here I have OPPO A71 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's find and select language and region. Here let's tap language, and here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. So in my case, let me just switch my language from English to Spanish. So let's, for example, choose here Español from España. Let's tap done to confirm it, tap change to Spanish, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose Ajustes right here. Then you need to scroll down, choose Idioma y Región. From the following list, let's tap Idioma, and let's choose English, from example, from United States. Tap Listo and select Cambiar a Inglés. So that's it, now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.